बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है, हमारा दिल दुपट्टा लियो, ताली हो, ताली हो। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है, हमारा दिल दुपट्टा लियो, ताली हो, ताली हो। होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ, हाँ जी हाँ, और भी होंगे दिलदार यहाँ, लाखों दिलों की बहार यहाँ, पर ये बात कहाँ, ये बेमिसाल हुस्न लाजवाब ये अदा, ताली हो, ताली हो, ताली हो। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है, हमारा दिल दुपट्टा लियो, ताली हो, ताली हो। Come on, ladies and gents. एक जन्म है दिल मिला, यार तेरा ये मंजिल मिला, ये न पूछोगे कहाँ दिल मिला। एक जन्म है दिल मिला, यार तेरा ये मंजिल मिला, ये न पूछोगे कहाँ। नया नया ये आशिकी करानी है मेरा, ताली हो, ताली हो, ताली हो। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है, हमारा दिल दुपट्टा लियो, ताली हो, ताली हो। क्यों चले प्यार में मेरे कहो, क्यों चले बैठ जाओ दुआ करो तुम्हें भी कोई ऐसे दिल बताली हो, ताली हो, ताली हो। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है, हमारा दिल बताली हो, ताली हो, ताली हो, ताली हो, ताली हो। ला ला ला, ला ला ला। Thank you.
We've had a competition in singing. Now we'll have a competition in encouragement. How did Hiten Bhai sing? How did Bharat Chachi sing? Gujaratis, you want to give it one more shot? How did Hiten Bhai sing?
Bharat Bhai was super.
encouraging both of them. You are Ame. Ame. You are Asa. Okay?
He was thinking something else and singing over here.
Yes, baby, you will say next. After me, your turn. Okay? Ame. Asa. Mukesh Bhaiya will be in this group.
No way.
There are 30 of them. You alone are more than a lot of all of them. So you will be in this group. They need your support. हम हिंदुस्तानी अपना प्राइम मिनिस्टर छे. Okay. Ame, Asa, and when I point out to you, you will scream as loud as you can. Ame. When I point out to you, you will scream as loud as you can. Asa. And when I lift my hand, you will all scream together. Both of them. Okay? As loud as you can. Who sung better? Not loud enough.
ये झगड़ा कराइए हम लोगों में.
हमारा काम है, बाद में पैसे आप ही लोग देंगे.
आप सबको बता दें ये वकील है, इसके लिए ये सब करा दीजिए.
तभी तो आर्बिट्रेशन के लिए जाएंगे.
हाँ, डाल रही है, अभी से ग्राउंड तैयार कर रही है कि झगड़ा हो तो मैं मिलूंगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट हो टू.
upset with me because I have not given her the mic to talk and she wants to say something about Nana and Nani.
Mommy love me a lot. So today we are going to celebrate their anniversary.
Oh, very good.
I love them both and they love me both.
Very nice. That's great. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Siddhi. That is very sweet. Can we have these two lights? Deepak and Poonam. As much as Deepak ji and Bhabhi have put on a slide for Chacha and Chachi to run them through the eventful, the events of their 50 years journey together. The guests sitting at the back, may we request you all to come a little forward. We will be playing that slide now. Please enjoy the show and live the journey with them. So, looking at this picture, दो पंक्तियां मुझे याद आ रही है जो शायद मुरली चाचा ने रेखा दीदी से कहा होगा. बहुत तब्दीली लाया हूँ अपने आप में, बहुत तब्दीली लाया हूँ अपने आप में, मगर तुमसे प्यार करने की आदत आज भी है.
क्या बात है.
This is the genealogy. I believe there is, sorry, Bade Papa, correct me, Shri Charan. Can you tell me what that second word is? Chain Raj. Chain Raj, yes. Bade Papa, can you please tell us the genealogy? Starting में कौन है? The mic is here.
मुरलीधर, खजानचंद, रामचंद, चेतराम, Jairam Das, Shyam Das and Chandra. His father's name was Dr. Jairam.
ನಿಮ್ಮದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾನಲ್ Chen Raj.
And for your information, he stayed for 107 years. And he was a poet. That was really fantastic.
No need to describe the emotion that we felt when we celebrated Badimammi and Balaji's 50th anniversary. Their blessings are there with us this evening. Congratulations to the couple celebrating their 50th anniversary, and hopefully many more couples in the Ramani clans will celebrate their 50th anniversary.
No doubt.
Bharat Chachu, you have commented, "Oh my God, this is what Karachi looked like." What did you think Karachi would look like if not like this?
I thought it would be worse than this.
I have read a lot of history of Pakistan, especially of the Sindhis in Pakistan, and जो मैंने पढ़ा है उसके हिसाब से ये पिक्चर शायद बहुत पुरानी है, बहुत कोशिशों के बाद ये पिक्चर मिली है, बट जो मेरी हेरिटेज है, जो मैंने पढ़ा है, कराची शिकारपुर जहाँ सिंधीज बसते थे was rich land, बहुत हरियाली, बहुत पैसा, बहुत खुशहाली थी. This picture is not doing even 1/10 the justice to the Sindhi land that we had, but nevertheless a great effort to find this picture, whoever has done.
Wow.
Today,
No idea.
I remember my Nana had a Zephyr, somewhat the same era, and when we were growing up, we were 7-8 years old, there was a movie with Jitendra in it. Mama, would you remember the name? Himmat Rava or something? Sorry, Kishore Kumar, she said. So there was a scene in the movie जहाँ पे वो गाड़ी है, Zephyr गाड़ी, and वो गाड़ी bomb होती है, and that is the car which my Nana had. So he used to always, when watching that movie, pause that clip and then say, "प्रीति, ये हमारी गाड़ी थी और इंजन तो सब निकल गया था, खाली डब्बा था, फिर एक दिन किसी पिक्चर वाले ने मांगा, उसको दे दिया, देख क्या कर रहे हैं, मेरी गाड़ी की धज्जियां उड़ रही है." But that is nostalgia. I see that nostalgia, I see that pride in my chachas today when unanimously all of us stood up and said 8058 BNL was our car.
Remember the number was.
Another picture of a beautiful couple together. Agra and Kashmir. Agra seems to be the common denomination factor between all the couples of Ramani Khandan who seem to have gone for their honeymoons. It is mostly Agra and Manali, Agra and Kashmir, Agra and wherever. Where did you go for your honeymoon?
I went to Uchi and Mysore.
So you didn't go to Agra?
No.
आप कहाँ गए थे आपके honeymoon की?
Nasik.
Where you stayed in Dakota. What is rupees 144 ka fare? Was that your ticket cost for the flight?
In the year 1944, not 44, I'm sorry, 1965, the plane cost for the Mangalore Bombay was just 144 rupees.
आज के तारीख में उतना तो प्लेन का टैक्स भी नहीं होता है.
कितना टाइम में पहुंचे?
Shall I tell you one more thing? I used to come to Mangalore because I used to get a student concession, and 144 I used to pay to and fro from Bombay to Mangalore, Mangalore to Bombay.
I have a first class train ticket which is a lot more than 144 and all I go is 23 kilometers.
Oh.
Labor of love of my uncle and perhaps the happiness of my aunt to get out of labor. These two kids here.
Cute.
25th anniversary was this? No.
Yeah.
Silver Jubilee, yes. This was how they celebrated their 25th anniversary, and today we are in their golden jubilee, and hopefully we will have the platinum and diamond very soon. Congratulations once again. It's the first house in Mangalore that I remember which had the name Manor. They were all Kannada names. The people in Mangalore might remember if there was any other manor.
I think I was in the 7th standard when we were all sitting on our dining table, and when Dad said, Kishan Chacha has asked us to keep the name Ramani.
Villa.
Ramani Villa, whatever. Then Papa said, we keep it as Ramani Mansion. Then, I don't know, I think my brother said, Dad, manor also means like a big palace. So, that's TK, Ramani Manor.
Oh, very
Yes, Deepak.
दीपक जो कमाल है
Thank you very much.
कभी ये हालत थी
कभी वाला खुशी आता है बेचारे.
The only picture where I find my dad in the stripes t-shirt and a lot of memories brought back to life again. The only picture I think in the family which is available today, which has all the 6 brothers and all the 6 daughters-in-law. Can we have them on stage for a moment just to see how much we have balded? Can we have Bade Papa? And in the sequence that you all are standing. Money. I thought I saw her.
Arre.
I request her to take, no, she's not Jindal, she's Luthria. Can I request you to take your mom-in-law's place, and can we have a picture please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Right now before marriage, it was when I was just 13 years, just 13
Right now.
years.
तब से ही चालू था fashionable wife की खोज.
I acted in a movie when I was just 13.
Okay, on that note, we have a guest who has a question for you.
Oh my God.
Hello, brother. How many girlfriends you had when you were young? And how many do you have now?
Now, do you want me to
The
speak?
question was, how many girlfriends did you have before you were married?
Yes.
And how many girlfriends do you have now? I'm not interested with the now. I'm interested more in the girlfriends before marriage.
लेकिन बीच प्लेटिनम यार कभी लफड़ा हो जाएगा
Now, I must tell you, मैं आपको ये बिल्कुल सच बोलता हूँ, सच कैसे कुछ नहीं बोलता हूँ.
वो मेरा लाइन है, वो आपका लाइन नहीं
The
है.
girlfriend in my life is not there at all. Absolutely no girlfriend before or after even now.
But no. I would like to disagree with that. If I, again, this is all from memory. What Dad used to tell us, I may be totally wrong.
Yes.
But I believe you had a girlfriend before you were married.
No.
Preeti, let me clarify one
No,
thing.
I don't want clarification.
No,
Let me clarify
I'll give you extra news. He used to have at least a dozen of sisters, that I know. Because on the Rakhi day, I used to see 12 to 13 in Raksha
No,
Bandhan.
वो क्यों होता है? I tell you, वो आज भी कॉलेज में होता है. जब यार लड़का बहुत ज़्यादा पीछे पड़ता है, लड़की को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, तो जल्दी से जाके राखे बांध देते हैं. या फिर लगता है यार ये लड़का आगे प्रपोज करेगा, बहुत क्यूट है, तो राखी बांध देते कि हमारे पेरेंट्स मानेंगे नहीं. That is a different story. But what my dad told me, if I remember correctly, is that you did have a girlfriend before you were married, and she is today your wife. I was told yours was a love marriage. Is that true?
That is true.
You know, this is a matter of controversy, and let me tell you. And I make it very clear here. She was never my girlfriend at all. If at all I have spoken to her, I spoken to her only after my marriage. Let me tell you once again.
No. I would like to understand this concept. So y'all were engaged when?
I was engaged in
बहुत हो गया ना अभी. When were you engaged?
August 15th.
Engagement और शादी कभी हुई थी?
8 September.
यानी 15 दिन बीच में, 20 दिन बीच में? कभी लैंडलाइंस नहीं थे?
नहीं.
ओके.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
ईमेल तो बिल्कुल नहीं था. खत लिखते थे?
नहीं.
नो. आप लोग दोनों ने जब एंगेजमेंट की तब एक कमरे में की या एक चेन्नई में था और एक बॉम्बे में था?
No, that was in Bombay. Yes.
ओके. सो तब आप लोगों ने बात की?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
No. You all didn't talk on your engagement day? Okay.
That is really astonishing.
शक्ल देखी थी?
हाँ, शक्ल.
Okay, एक मिनट before that.
Take care of my result.
के बड़े पापा?
I clarify.
Okay. I would love to know that. So जब आपकी engagement हुई, आपने एक दूसरे से बात नहीं किया, but आपने एक दूसरे की शक्ल देखी थी?
जी, बिल्कुल देखी थी.
शक्ल देखते ही पसंद आई थी?
बहुत ज्यादा.
आपको शक्ल देखते ही पसंद आए थे?
Yes, of course.
वो लव हुआ था? Love हुआ था. I can slowly, shyly see the heads nodding yes. So love हुआ था और marriage उसके बाद हुई थी. तो फिर वो love marriage हुई कि नहीं हुई? मैं वकील हूँ, मेरे से ना आप भिड़े. Okay, clarification, बड़े पापा. You did not allow them to talk on the day of engagement.
Who? Me?
That's what he said. He said, Bade Papa, KK Ramani did not allow us to talk on our day of engagement.
No, I never did that. I never did that.
I said them on the contrary.
Okay, so tell us that story. Tell us that story.
No, I'll come when the
Okay. He will tell us later.
यार प्रीति तो क्यों झगड़ा कराती है लोग?
मेरे को धंधा नहीं मिला आज का पूरा दिन मेरा वेस्ट गया पैसा चाहिए. Okay, Kathy.
अगर केके रमानी पोल खोलेगा ना तो ये उसकी पोल खोल देगा.
आज पोल खोलने का दिन है. आज जन्माष्टमी है. वैसे भी कृष्ण भगवान का दिन है. मुरली है कृष्ण भगवान.
आप लोग को आश्चर्य होगा कि मेरे बड़े भाई साहब he was the president of Kerala Chamber of Mangalore and बड़ी dignitaries CM of Karnataka उनके साथ उनकी बैठक हो चुकी है. Governor of Karnataka, a lot of big dignitaries have come to Mangalore and he was sitting with them having a chat with regarding how to improve Mangalore and etc.
He's also received the highest honor in the community by the Sindhi Federation of South India. Proud of both of you, Bade Papa and
One minute, he is the man who is
on topic of honors, Rekha Didi has also started yoga training and she has come out with a CD for her training and it is a very popular event, I am told. So the honors and the awards that the two have won, I have written a few words for them on that. This is what Murli Chacha tells Rekha Didi. The pleasures of yoga and honors of the awards are great. The pleasures of yoga and the honors of the awards are great. But in their place, the pride and pleasure of my heart is your beauty in bloom, your face.
Wow, super.
बढ़ती जा रही है फैमिली, दोनों बच्चों के spouses, उनके बच्चे. So then what does he say? तेरे ही जलवे का ये असर है कि आज तक तेरे ही जलवे का ये असर है आज तक बेइख्तियार दौड़े हैं गुल दराखों पे गुल. तेरे ही जलवे का है असर ये आज तक बेइख्तियार ही दौड़े हैं गुल दरे का गुल. The meaning, a lot of us, even I wouldn't understand. I'm trying to learn Urdu. I have just started with reading Urdu. The meaning is, flower after flower has bloomed ever since. Flower, the kids and the grandchildren, flower after flower has bloomed ever since. You promised me that one glimpse. आपके engagement पे जो glimpse था, जब आपको प्यार हुआ था, उसका ये नतीजा. A short clip. I first thought you were sleeping.
I also thought the same thing.
And it wouldn't play. On my laptop, it just wouldn't play. So then I saw there was a small lock over there and I had to unlock that lock. So when I unlocked the lock, the sleepyhead went from one side to the other and then came the other side. And that's when I realized it was a yoga video. Until then I was like, why do they want this side on the screen? This was the 25th anniversary. No. This was another anniversary in between the 25th and the 50th.
48th anniversary in Bangalore.
48th anniversary in Bangalore, which the children had celebrated, and it was a surprise event for the parents. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This was the journey of their 50 years. And yes.
Now, जैसे कि प्रीति ने आपको बताया कि हमारी फैमिली में सबको कीड़े हैं. प्रीति की एक छोटी सी बहन है जिसका नाम है पूजा. उसको भी कीड़ा है. So I request Pooja to come over.